Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel Carrejo with Automation Anywhere, and today I'm excited to introduce the Automation Visionary series featuring thought leaders and practitioners from around the globe who are transforming how work gets done with agentic process automation. Today, I'm joined by Pawan Srivastava, CEO and founder of the Spectar Group. Pawan, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Gabriel. Appreciate this opportunity. Hello, everyone. My name is Pawan Srivastava, and I am the founder and CEO of Spectar Group and Specia.AI, based out in Melbourne, Australia. Today, we would like to share an honest perspective based on our experience of what is happening across the AI and automation landscape and discuss how organizations can prepare for the transition to an AI driven future. Most enterprises today are trying to solve 2026 problems using 2010 operating models. For the last 2 decades, whenever workload increased, organizations responded in the same way. They simply added more people, be it onshore or offshore. But the environment today is fundamentally different. Operational complexity has exploded across hundreds of enterprise systems, compliance layers, customer expectations, fragmented workflows, and massive volume of data. The old labor scaling model no longer scales. We are now seeing what we call the capacity ceiling. Teams are overloaded, skilled talent is becoming harder to find, operational costs continue to rise, and highly capable humans are spending too much time doing repetitive and robotic work instead of high value thinking. At the same time, enterprises are experimenting with standalone AI tools, copilots, and chatbots, hoping they will transform operations. But most of these become what we call pockets of value. Why? Because intelligence alone does not complete business outcome. A chatbot may provide an answer, but it cannot complete the workflow. It cannot apply the enterprise business rules or orchestrate approvals or update your ERP applications and maintain governance across systems. That is why so many AI pilots struggle to scale into enterprise wide transformation. The real shift we are now seeing, and in our view, the biggest AI opportunity globally, is in transforming the service economics. That is where our partnership with Automation Anywhere becomes incredibly powerful. Together, we are now at a stage where enterprises can start buying completed work instead of just software tools. Very similar to how the BPO wave transformed enterprises 30 or 40 years ago. But this is the next evolution. Instead of outsourcing work to large pool of people, organizations can now build digital workforces powered by AI and automation. And the conversation we are increasingly having with CFOs is very simple. Can we transition the robotic work currently consuming your human workforce into digital agents, while allowing your team to focus on judgment, strategy, customer engagement, and growth? In this model, the digital agents handle the execution while the human becomes the supervisor, reviewer, and the decision maker working alongside the agent. And that completely changes the enterprise capacity because now growth is no longer fully dependent on continuously adding more headcount. For the first time, organizations can think about scaling revenue, customer experience, and operational capability exponentially without scaling operational chaos at the same rate. That is what we call the AI led operating model. Humans and digital agents working together as one unlimited workforce. It is about removing the robotic work from human jobs so humans can operate at their highest level of expertise and creativity. That is the future operating model we believe every enterprise is moving forward.
So, Pavan, to the business leader out there listening to this, or the automation leader out there looking to demonstrate value to the CFO or the CIO, what is the mindset shift in the agentic era?
One of the biggest mindset shifts we are driving at Specia.AI is that enterprises should stop thinking about installing software and start thinking about onboarding digital agents. Because at the end of the day, success is not defined by how many AI tools you deploy, it is defined by ROI and business outcomes. Over the years, we have evolved what we call a recruitment-led ROI-driven operating model. And this is where Automation Anywhere has been transformational for us. Automation Anywhere gives us the trusted enterprise grade foundation, the security, the governance, orchestration, auditability, and the execution layer that allows organizations to confidently introduce digital agents into their mission critical operation. In many ways, we see Automation Anywhere as one of the true foundational platforms enabling the AI-led operating model globally. Because of that trusted platform, our conversation with customers shifts away from which tool are you implementing to which business outcome do you want us to deliver. That is a very different conversation.
So when you're talking to clients now, prospects, etc., and introducing this idea, what are some of the fears that you hear from them around agentic specifically? And why is it so important to reinforce this concept of human in the loop?
We are witnessing the biggest transformation in enterprise operations since the rise of global BPO industry. However, this time the competitive advantage is no longer driven by labor arbitrage. It is driven by intelligence arbitrage. The scale of this shift is difficult to comprehend. Like every major transition, the biggest challenge is not the technology, it is the trust. For AI to be successfully adopted, organizations must establish a model that builds the confidence between people and the AI. At Specia, we believe trust is created by ensuring humans remain at the center of important decisions. That is why every digital agent we build operates across three distinct layers. Number one is the deterministic execution, where AI can perform the repetitive rule-based tasks with consistency. Second one is the confidence-based recommendation. Whenever there is a lower confidence, the agent presents the recommendation for human review rather than taking actions automatically. Third one is the critical business judgment. Decisions involving significant financial, legal, customer, or regulatory impacts are always escalated to a human. This governance model is enabled seamlessly through the Automation Anywhere platform, which provides built-in approval workflows, auditability, and enterprise controls. And the result is very simple. Humans always remain in control of critical decisions. And in many respects, this hybrid operating model is safer and more effective than relying solely on people or solely on AI. The AI agent contributes the speed, consistency, 24/7 execution, continuous learning, whereas the human contributes experience, judgment, ethics, context, accountability, and together they create a far more resilient, trusted, and scalable enterprise operating model. The AI agent performs the work, the human provides the judgment. And with every interaction, the AI agent continues to learn from the human decisions, becoming more accurate and valuable over the time. And that combination is what ultimately builds the trust and is the foundation of the AI-led enterprises.
So talk to me a little bit more about this idea of scale, with Specia.AI and agentic process automation in general. How do you approach that and what's in it for the customer?
The traditional labor scaling model is reaching its limits. What organizations are experiencing today is what we call the capacity ceiling, a point where simply adding more people is no longer the most cost-effective way to increase productivity or improve the service levels or support growth. As AI and automation continue to mature, businesses have a unique opportunity to create a new form of value, which we call time currency. By offloading repetitive and robotic work to digital agents, organizations free their people to focus on higher value activities that require creativity, innovation, problem solving, and customer engagements. The outcome extends far beyond productivity gains. AI agents provide virtually unlimited operational capacity, enabling enterprises to scale without proportionally increasing their workforce, while empowering employees to contribute more strategically to the business. Equally important is the creation of trust currency. As AI operates within the governed workflow with human oversight for critical decisions, organizations build that confidence in AI-driven operations across every layer of the business. Together, time currency and trust currency become the foundation of an AI native enterprise. The organizations that embrace the shift won't simply become more efficient, they will fundamentally redefine how work is performed, how value is created, and how they compete in the future.
You just mentioned trust as currency, and I think those two currencies, trust and time, are the most important. I totally agree, right? Because there's so much going on and it's so fleeting. We're talking about some big ideas. You're pushing the envelope, but let's be honest here. It's bold, it's innovative, but it's working. This is real. This isn't conjecture or simply thought leadership. It's in practice. You're not just pushing the envelope for the pushing the envelope's sake. You're at the forefront and delivering. To me, it's a competitive advantage because, especially with the new generation coming into the workforce, if you're looking at a talent-starved market to be able to equip your employees with technology like agentic process automation, that's a differentiator. And I think that's something that especially the next generation is going to be looking for. And this is how you attract the talent that you need to succeed.
The next generation entering the workforce is exceptionally talented. They haven't spent years developing their skills and education simply to move data between systems or perform repetitive or boring tasks. They are the future innovators, problem solvers, and value creators. And I personally believe our responsibility is to empower them with the right tools, freeing them from their daily routine operational workload so they can focus on creativity, critical thinking, customer outcomes, and innovation. And we are at the cusp of the history where, for the first time, we have the technology to eliminate the robotic workloads. And our role is to equip them with the AI powered tools, train them how to collaborate with digital agents, and enable them to create greater value for the organizations. The future workforce won't be defined by how efficiently they move informations across applications. It will be defined by how effectively they solve problems, make decisions, innovate, and create new opportunities while AI takes care of the repetitive execution.
So when you and I were speaking prior to this, you mentioned that at some point you decided to pivot and become laser focused on the relationship with Automation Anywhere. Talk to me a little bit about what initiated this decision and how that's changed. What's changed for you, for Spectar Group, how that's enabled Specia.AI, and what you're doing for the market and for your customers now.
We have been working with Automation Anywhere since 2018, and over the years, we evolved a delivery model together that allows us to rapidly spin up an enterprise-grade digital agents in weeks, not years. What attracted us early on was that Automation Anywhere always had a very futuristic vision of where enterprise automation was heading. They moved cloud first very early. They introduced the cognitive capabilities to work with unstructured data. And from 2022 onwards, they became one of the first major platforms to truly embrace the agentic AI model for the enterprises. They have been named as one of the AI wonders by the Forbes as well. That evolution aligned perfectly with where we believed the market was going, from automation to autonomous enterprise operations. And if you watch closely, Automation Anywhere is still the only platform we have seen that can truly orchestrate AI reasoning, enterprise system, enterprise knowledge-based repository, legacy applications, and the execution inside one unified workflow in a secure, scalable, and enterprise trusted way. And that is why we call them as a universal orchestration platform as well. Because AI alone is not enough. The enterprise needs a trusted execution spine that keeps the AI, the human, and the system of record connected together in one operational flow. And that is exactly where Automation Anywhere plays such an important role. Their agentic process automation platform provides the foundation organizations need to confidently embrace an AI-led operating model. To everyone watching, I would encourage you to explore the Automation Anywhere platform if you are looking to begin your AI transformation journey. And if your focus is on achieving the business outcomes rather than implementing technology alone? We would be delighted to help at Specia.AI, where we deliver AI-powered business outcomes built on the Automation Anywhere platform.
Well, Pawan, I cannot thank you enough for joining us and sharing your insights in the innovation that you're putting in market. It's truly inspiring, it's fascinating, it's exciting. So thank you for doing this. And thank you for kicking off the Automation Visionary series.
Thank you, Gabriel. Thank you once again for having me on this show. And I look forward to continuing our partnership in helping organizations unlock the full potential of AI.
To our audience out there, stay tuned for the next episode with another special guest who will share their insights and how they're putting agentic process automation to work. But for now, Pawan, thanks again. I look forward to catching up soon.